Hi children, welcome again to Mrs. Ezebuchi's channel and welcome to Mrs. Ezebuchi's class. If you're new here, please kindly subscribe to Favour Ezebuchi's channel for more videos. Okay, so let's say the alphabet sounds together. Ready? 1, 2, go! A, B, K, D, E, G, E, J, K, L, O, P, Q, R, S, T, A, W, X, Y, Z. Wow, that was amazing! Good job! Okay, can you identify the alphabet sounds in random order? Good job. So what sound is this? Fantastic! Ah! And what about this sound? What does it make? Good job! And what sound is this? Amazing! Ah, ah, ah! And what about this sound? Wow, the kicking! Good job! And what about this sound? What sound does this make? Amazing, the sound. Good job. And what sound is this? Good job. And what sound does this make? Good job. And what about this one? Qu. And remember, the Q is always shy and it goes with his friend called the U sound and they'll make one sound together called what? Qu. And what about this one? Amazing. And what sound is this? Good job. J. And what about this one? Superstar. Z. And what sound does this make? Amazing! Give yourself a tush clap. Roll it up, tush, and let it go down. Now let's say the sound along with an object that begins with each sound. 1 to go. A. For what? Apple. Amazing. B. Bag. Cup. Good job. D. Dog. E. Elephant. Frog. G. Goat. Hat or house. E. Insect. J. Jug. K. King. Lollipop. mop. Net, net. Orange, orange. P, pot, pot. Queen, queen. Rat, rat. Snake, snake. Tap, tap. Umbrella, umbrella. Van, van. Water, water. X-ray, x-ray. Yum, yum. Zip, zip. Wow, that was fantastic! Can you tell me the objects and the sounds they represent? Good, look at this. What sound does this make out of this picture? Good job! Water. And what about this one? This is a frog. So let's go. Beautiful. And what picture is this? The zip. So what sound do you hear? Zzz. Amazing. And what about this picture? Yeah, that's a what? Net. So what sound did you hear first? Net. And what about this one? Bag. Amazing, superstar. Bag. Good job. And what picture is this? What sound does it represent? Beautiful, the kicking k for king. And what about this one? Amazing. So what sound does this picture represent? Superstar. Good job. And what is this? Amazing. A snake. And what sound does it represent? Good job. And what sound is this one? Amazing. This is a dog and the sound it makes is D. Good job. And what picture is this? Rat. Good job. What sound does it make? Wow! That was absolutely amazing! Good job! Okay, let's say our alphabet sounds one more time as we dance along. A, B, K, D, G, H, I, J, was fantastic. Wow. Okay, children, so this is the end of our video, and see you in our next video. Please remember to subscribe and like this video. Bye.